Morning, everyone. I thought I would do a quick little balance because I came in this morning feeling a little frazzled and I muscle tested up some flower essences for myself. And I thought, oh, gee, I'm having a morning this morning already. So I thought I'd share that. So the 3 flower essences that tested up were Fringed Violet and Dagger Hakea and Waratah. So I'll put them here next to me and I'll go through the energy of them one by one. But basically, this morning I have listened to a few things. I'm sure you all know, and please go and do some research if you don't know, but the reset is in full swing at the moment. So the World Economic Forum is talking about this 10-year process where none of us will own anything by. They're saying we're all going to be happy. Obviously, Davos 2020, all those wealthy billionaires are saying, yep, let's get people off the land and into high-rise. And so, and once again, pushing the whole, looking after the planet before human beings, which I really find interesting that so many people are going along with. But of course, all the billionaires who throw money into that, they're not going to be affected. They'll be the chosen few, I'm sure. So I was having a bit of a moment and I thought, okay, I just need to settle pedal and have a bit of a day. So here I am. So the first flower essence that showed up was Dagger Hakea, and it's for resentment, bitterness, especially towards close family and friends. Now, this isn't, oh, well, okay, maybe it is for me, because some people are still asleep, they're not paying attention, they don't care, and because they assume governments are all looking after our best interests, they aren't paying attention, and that's fine. My brother, who's a doctor, he said, oh, all my hippie friends will tell me about it, I don't need to know anything about it. I go, well, that'll be great. Good on you, dude. Anyway, so Dagger Hakea, I release any and all resentment, bitterness and frustration towards loved ones and family and friends. I release any frustration and anger at hidden agendas. I open my eyes and clearly see what's happening on the planet. I look forward to truth and transparency. Just checking. Amygdala. Oh no. So no surprise that Dagger Hakea energy has tapped into a pain and punishment circuit. So with pain and punishment circuits, of course, it goes to a time in your life where it changes things so that your nervous system assumes that life's going to be stressful forever. Let me check my reticular activating system. Yep, something there. Okay. So acetylcholine, serotonin. So low serotonin. Directing attention, vigilance. Okay, so low serotonin making me vigilant, and of course what I really need to do is turn off my social media for a month. I don't mean mainstream media, obviously. I haven't done that in 6 months. But I do feel like this is the time on the planet not to be asleep. Paying attention, standing up for our own rights and our own sovereignty. I no longer need to be vigilant. I am awake. I no longer need to be vigilant. I am awake. Okay, so Dagger Hakea is showing. So what's the second one? Waratah. Okay, so Waratah is for when there's the possibility of going down into that depression that you can't get back out of. It's that big, deep, dark depression that just takes hold and feels like a big dark cloud. So this year I've been talking about the black pill days. This is a black pill day. Actually, do I need any drops of Dagger Hakea? No. Do I need any drops of Waratah? Yes. How many drops? 6 drops. And, you know, watching all of the lockdowns again around the world, it's just devastating to see that they just keep on pushing this, you know, because the PCR tests are inaccurate. You know, go look at information about that if you don't believe me. But so many people are standing up and saying, all it is testing is RNA. RNA can be anything, a cold, a flu, a bug. It is non-specific, absolutely non-specific. It is one of the hugest lies perpetrated on the humans on the planet. Really quite amazing. So I no longer need black pill days. I am awake. I no longer need black pill days. I am awake. Okay, and the third one that showed is fringed violet. Fringed violet is for damage, trauma to your aura, to your spirit, to your energy fields that's happening because of something. It's 4 drops. That's happening because of something crazy. You know, there's nothing crazy going on around the world, luckily, this year. And every time, you know, we're all getting so used to the new rules. Don't get used to the rules. Stand up and say, is this law? Where is my freedom? I deserve my right to go out into the world and live my life. If we don't all stand up, it's going to happen. Okay. So fringed violet is blowing my central meridian, so it's making it harder for my frontal cortex to problem solve. Yeah, and once again, it's because of an old pain and punishment circuit. But with stress, just by the way, we can go from short-term stress to long-term stress within 48 hours. So your nervous system assumes if something isn't sorted out instantly, you know, within minutes or hours, that it's going to become a long-term stress. So interesting how quickly our nervous system takes it on. Okay, so Waratah Dagger Hakia Fringed Violet. I am enough. I live my true life. I own my sovereignty. I am awake. Okay, peeps. See you later.